Have you ever wondered why some people attract everyone around them? They don't look extraordinary. They don't have special talents, but somehow people naturally listen to them, trust them, and want to be around them. So what's their secret? Well, today I'm going to explain the psychology of attraction. And once you understand this, you will start seeing people very differently. Let's start with something shocking.
1. People judge you in 100 milliseconds. 100 milliseconds. That's 1/10 of a second. In that tiny moment, research from Princeton University discovered that people already form opinions about you. Your brain instantly decides, is this person trustworthy? Is this person smart? Is this person likable? And here's the scary part. Even if people get more time, 1 second, 5 seconds, or even 1 minute, their opinion rarely changes. The decision made in those first 100 milliseconds usually becomes the final judgment. But then a question appears. If attraction happens so quickly, why do some average-looking people still attract everyone around them?
2. Attraction is not about looks. Most people think attraction is about good looks, but a fascinating study proved something different. Researchers showed the same photos to 2 groups of people. The first group only saw the photo. The second group saw the same photo but were told something about the person, that they were kind, helpful, and a good human being. And guess what happened? The second group rated the exact same faces as much more attractive. This phenomenon is called the halo effect. It means when your brain notices one positive quality, it automatically assumes other good qualities as well. But the opposite is also true. If someone looks nervous, avoids eye contact, or has low energy, the brain quickly assumes, this person is boring. And just like that, the attraction disappears.
3. Your body language sends signals. Your brain is constantly sending subconscious signals to others. Think about a nervous person. They speak very fast. Their hands move a lot. They cannot stay still. Now think about someone truly confident. They move slowly. They choose their words carefully. They pause while speaking. This is not coincidence. Your brain associates fast movement, danger; calm movement, control. When someone moves slowly, your brain subconsciously thinks, this person is not afraid of anything. And that instantly makes them appear more confident.
4. The power of silence. Here's a simple trick. When you say something important, pause for a moment. Let the other person absorb your words. Silence creates a powerful signal. It tells people that you are comfortable with yourself, and comfort creates confidence.
5. The Benjamin Franklin effect. Now here's something that might sound strange. If you want someone to like you, don't do them a favor. Instead, ask them for a small favor. In the 1700s, Benjamin Franklin had a rival who strongly disliked him. Instead of helping the man, Franklin asked him for a small favor. He asked to borrow a rare book. The rival gave him the book, and slowly, they became friends. Why? Because of a psychological phenomenon called cognitive dissonance. When someone helps you, their brain asks, why did I help this person? The brain then changes the belief to match the action. It decides, maybe I actually like this person. 6. Make people feel heard. Every human being secretly wants one thing, to be heard. Most people in conversations are just waiting for their turn to talk. But if you want people to like you, do something different. When someone tells you a story, simply ask, then what happened? That simple question shows genuine interest, and the feeling that someone truly cares about your story is incredibly powerful. 7. Perceived value. Now let's talk about something very important. Perceived value. Perceived value means how important people think you are, not how important you think you are. Every person subconsciously asks this question during interactions. What do I gain by spending time with this person? If people feel energy, laughter, or new ideas when talking to you, they will naturally move closer to you. But if they feel negativity or complaints, they slowly move away.
7. Perceived value. Now let's talk about something very important. Perceived value. Perceived value means how important people think you are, not how important you think you are. Every person subconsciously asks this question during interactions. What do I gain by spending time with this person? If people feel energy, laughter, or new ideas when talking to you, they will naturally move closer to you. But if they feel negativity or complaints, they slowly move away. 8. The law of reciprocity. One of the strongest psychological forces is the law of reciprocity. When you give something to someone, kindness, appreciation, help, their brain subconsciously remembers it. It creates an invisible sense of obligation. This is why helping people without expecting anything back is so powerful.
9. Scar versus wound. When sharing personal stories, there is an important difference. A scar means something painful happened in your past, but you have healed. A wound means you are still suffering from it. People respect scars, but constant emotional wounds can push people away, because no one wants to stay around someone who drains their energy.
10. Calmness creates authority. Whenever chaos happens in a group, something interesting occurs. People don't look at the loudest person. They look at the calmest person, because the brain assumes the calmest person has a plan. Next time a stressful moment happens, do this. Pause for 3 seconds before speaking. That small silence can make you appear like the most powerful person in the room.
11. The power of shared interests. Have you ever met someone randomly, maybe in a bus or a classroom, and suddenly discovered that they like the same movie, game, or series as you? Suddenly, the conversation becomes easy. You feel an instant connection. This is called the Similarity-Attraction Effect. Your brain thinks, if we share this interest, maybe we understand each other deeply, and the bond forms instantly.
2. Don't hide your weird interests. Your unusual interests are not weaknesses. They are actually magnets. They attract people who are similar to you. So don't hide your passions and never apologize for them. When you talk about something you truly love, your energy becomes contagious, and people are attracted to energy more than information.
13. Social media attraction. Now let's talk about the online world. When someone opens your profile on Instagram, they decide in about 3 seconds whether they find you interesting or not. 3 seconds, without hearing your voice, without meeting you. This is where storytelling becomes powerful. 14. Stories create connection. Facts are easy to forget, but stories stay in memory. For example, saying, I scored 92% in my exam is just information, but saying, on result day, my hands were shaking, the website kept crashing, my father was standing beside me silently, and when the page finally opened, I saw 92% and my eyes filled with tears. Now that becomes an experience. Stories create emotional connections. 15. The most attractive trait. After everything we discussed today, remember one final truth. The most attractive people are not the best looking. They are not the loudest. The most attractive people are those who make others feel, I matter to this person. And when someone feels that around you, they will naturally want to stay. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and subscribe, because on this channel, we explore psychology, human behavior, and powerful life lessons that can completely change how you see the world. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep inspiring.